Okay, so Bitcoin, Ethereum fall as Israel-Iran conflict keeps cryptos on edge. This is all total noise. There was an economy way worse than this one with way worse issues. It was the pandemic economy. Bitcoin went from 3K to 69K in that economy, and that was way worse than today. Why did that happen? Because they stimulated, they lowered interest rates. We haven't seen that happen yet. It's been a long time, and it's prevented the bull market from coming. Now, what do we have next? Investors in Trump are about to find out if Fed still wants rate cuts in 2025. That's going to come Wednesday, June 18. We're going to hear from the Federal Reserve. Again, everyone is waiting on what the Federal Reserve is going to say because it's so important. If interest rates were lowered tomorrow, the Israel-Iran conflict would mean nothing to markets, just like the pandemic meant absolutely nothing to markets in 2021. Now, in the meantime, the setup just gets better and better. Senate passes stablecoin bill, a major victory for the crypto world. This legislation has prevented massive institutions from going huge into the space, but it's coming. That bill is going to the House and then to the president. JP Morgan Chase to pilot stablecoin like JPMD for institutional clients on Coinbase's base blockchain that runs on top of Ethereum. Really doesn't get bigger than this. Now, what does that mean for certain assets? Well, obviously, Aerodrome is the #1 decentralized exchange on Base, right? So JP Morgan's liquidity moving onto Base, a lot of that going to Aerodrome. And this just in, Coinbase seeks SEC approval to offer blockchain-based stocks. So a massive amount of liquidity moving on Base. Aerodrome responds to that with the eyes emoji because they understand the flood of liquidity moving onto the Base blockchain, and Aerodrome takes advantage of that.